Beneath the ashes and dust of Pompeii, a silent city frozen in time, lies a treasure trove of tales, etched in the very stones themselves, the graffiti of Roman gladiators. These chiseled inscriptions, a testament to the blood, sweat, and cheers of the ancient arena, are a unique glimpse into the lives of the gladiators who once battled for glory and survival. In the heart of Pompeii, on the walls of the amphitheater, the stories of these warriors echo through the ages. One such narrative, etched by a gladiator named Spiculus, reads, Spiculus the Thracian, Victor 26, wishing for 30. The number of victories, a proud boast for a gladiator, reflects the prestige and recognition he earned in the arena. The graffiti also reveals the camaraderie and rivalry among the gladiators. A marking by a gladiator named Vibius Sabinus, the Rhodian, has defeated Eumachus, showcases the fierce competition that fueled their battles. Yet another inscription, a special greeting to Spiculus, my friend, hints at friendships forged amidst the violence. The graffiti also offers a peek into the daily life of a gladiator. A simple drawing of a man with a fish and a loaf of bread, accompanied by the words, Eumachus, please remember me, speaks volumes about their longing for food and love. These graffiti, though simple, are profound. They tell stories of triumph and despair, of camaraderie and rivalry, of life and death. They are a poignant reminder of the human spirit that thrived even in the midst of such a brutal world. As we walk through the ruins of Pompeii, these silent voices echo, telling tales of the past, of the lives of the gladiators, and of the heartbeat of a city that time forgot.